These direct weld trailer jacks from UltraTow offer a strong, reliable, and permanent mount to lift up to 3,000 pounds or 5,000 pounds. The top wind models have claw knobs on solid bar handles that conveniently fold away when not in use. The sidewind models have large, comfortable grooved handles that make cranking almost effortless. A grease zerk fitting is built into each for easy greasing of the jacks. The 3,000-pound models extend an additional 15 inches, and the 5,000-pound models extend an additional 28 inches. The square tube design features black painted outer tubes and zinc-finished inner tubes for strength and durability. The 5,000-pound models also include a foot pad for stability. Get a strong, permanent mount with these direct weld trailer jacks from UltraTow.